This throwback taco dive was started in 1956 by Ray Lopez. It's now owned by the family of Ray's younger brother, Arturo. And after 60 years of service, it remains a staple of San Antonio culture.
So I think I'm gonna take a cue from all of these guys, you know? I mean, they seem to be taking life at the right speed.
While the action today is all outside, inside the small dining room, you'll find a bizarre mix of old paintings, altars, and oddities. And in the kitchen, the reason Ray's is famous, Puffy Tacos. The Lopez family legend claims that at some point, decades ago, their great-grandmother was flattening and frying corn masa for tostadas. Well, she got distracted, and a kitchen stick, no doubt guided by the very hand of God, fell into the fryer, bending the tostada into taco form. And what emerged from the oil was a new creation that would change taco history. A unique shell made of puffed masa dough and stuffed with any number of classic fillings, making for a classic San Antonio experience.
Oh yeah, hey, thank you very much. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, nice. This is a lot of puffiness going on right here. 3 Ray's classic Puffy tacos. I got one with chicken, one with beef picadillo, and then one with carne guisada. You pick it up, you instantly know, like, this is not a normal taco. You've got this sort of like, oh, how would I describe that? Oh, puffiness to it, you know? Oh yeah. It's like the filling is wrapped in a crispy blanket from heaven. It's weird, it's like the outside crunches, but the inside feels like a soft corn tortilla. Probably wasn't very good foresight to wear a crisp white shirt to Taco Day.
No, it was not.
This may be the perfect taco for people who can't decide if they want crispy or soft. It's like the best of both worlds colliding. Can you hear that crunch?
Oh, I can hear it.
Can you hear it from way over there? Let's appreciate that together. All right, guys. So I gotta save a little bit of room because the Puffy Taco Tour of San Antonio continues right up the road at a different spot. Same family, but are they the same Puffy Tacos? There's only one way to find out. We gotta go eat them.